Hi, thanks for sharing your plan. There's a couple ways to do this. You can turn on the reference display and just simply draw 2D CAD here. Let's see what that's. I'll call it 11. That's more standard figure. And then take that multiple copy, set the multiple copy to 11 inches. Then turn the reference display off. And there you have it. That's straightforward and simple. And you still have your 3D stair object down on this floor. And you have an apparent stair object up here. Another way, I'm going to delete this. Whoops. Okay. To be more specific. Another way is to just simply turn on the reference display and then send that to layout and just put a note on the page that the red lines are the first floor. That might be overly complicating matters. And the other method would be to turn on Walls Attic and overdraw this, make sure it's lined up. And then take your wall break tool and break it off here where you've already established your second floor. Take these 3 walls that I sectioned off, and they're auto-generated, so they're not going to be room defined. Leave it attic wall, that's fine, no locate. But now it'll form a room, or it should. Well, it didn't. Let's see. All right, I'm a little short there. Maybe this, yeah. Need this to connect. There we go. Now we should have a room, unless I have to do it on this side as well. I see. I'm going to connect this over here. Anyway, it should be able to get this to be a room. Huh. Wonder why that's not working. No, these really won't. Oh, there's no room over here. Okay. Let's see which one of these walls came apart. I know you put those invisible walls to establish just the second floor. This is a little complicated because you got all these walls inside walls. I'm just making sure that they're all snapped together. I want this one. Yeah. You're not getting a room dialog box in this area. So there's something a little wonky here. Let me just connect this over here. Dadgummit. Maybe that's not connected. Well, it looks like it's connected. I'm not getting a room dialog box in either place, and that's not going to support what I wanted to do. Well, fiddlesticks. Are these invisible walls marked no room defined? No, that one's okay. Oh, maybe this is an attic wall over here. I didn't even think of that. Yeah, it's no room to find. Hmm. All these are room definable walls. How come I can't select this thing? There's no room dialog box there. I'm clicking, but nothing's happening. So there's something weird going on here that I didn't expect. You check those walls and see up there marked no room defined. No. Wow, I can't select that either. What's going on here? Rooms layer locked or something? Rooms is locked. Why you do that? Drive me nuts. Okay, got a room dialog box there, and that's the reason I couldn't get it, because the rooms layer was locked. Okay, and this out here, now that it's a room, you can tell it to be open below. And then the stairs will show in an open below room. See? These little lines here are your ceiling break lines. Like, you probably have to, if you want this no ceiling, you have to go over here and tell this new room not to have a flat ceiling, and then those dashed lines will go away. Thought I was losing my mind. I never locked the rooms layer. It didn't occur to me to do that. Yeah, I think that's working now. Hey, this looks kind of familiar. Did I work on this before? I'm going to click over here, open this dialog box here, and go to the structure tab. I think the floor is set to 0. No, set it default. It's just, oh yeah. I think that looks nicer, but that's just my opinion. Okay, I hope this helps you, and I hope I got it right. If I didn't, at least I tried. Have a great week. Thank you. Bye.